Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can save all your open tabs in the Opera web browser in your Bookmarks folder. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so as you can see I'm in the Opera web browser, and in 2026 it works the following way. Let's assume you have several or multiple of these tabs open and you would like to save them all as bookmarks. So what you want to do is right click into one of them, and then you will see that option here, save, hover your mouse over it, and choose one of these options. All tabs to bookmarks bar or all tabs to speed dial folder. So these speed dials are usually these site suggestions you see here on your homepage that represent the pages you visit frequently, for instance. So you may add these tabs to that menu, or as previously mentioned, to one of your bookmarks folder. And then if you're using these bookmarks, they will be listed here in the given folder. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we catch you later.